Wash a few potatoes well, then put them in a pot with water and let them boil until fully cooked. To keep them from falling apart, add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. After they were cooked, peel them and mash them thoroughly with a potato masher. Then add 1 tablespoon of bread crumbs to make them a bit crispy. Add turmeric, salt, black pepper, pulbiber, and a little butter powder to the mixture. Except for turmeric and salt, the other spices are optional. Crack 3 eggs into the mixture and mix well. Next, divide the mixture into small balls and set them aside to cool down a bit and lose their heat. Then, flatten them on a cutting board. Place 3 slices of salami or sausage or anything you like on top. Add a slice of Gouda cheese. Then cover again with the potato mixture and flatten it. The oil should be well heated. Put the patties into the oil, lower the heat, and let them fry well on both sides. Honestly, making them round was hard, so I made the rest rectangular. Kisses to you.